Welcome. If you've ever wanted to discover Instagram Reels from a specific location or filter your own Reels by where they were posted, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to filter Instagram Reels by location so you can easily find content that matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Give that a tap to open up the options. Next, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the app, from posts and stories to the reels you've shared. Once you're inside Your Activity, scroll down and find the section labeled Content You Shared. Here, you'll see different types of content, but for today's tutorial, you want to tap on Reels. Now, you're looking at all the Reels you've shared from your account. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of this page, you'll see an option called Includes Location Filter. Tap on that, and you'll be able to filter your Reels by the specific locations where they were posted. This makes it super easy to organize your content, find memories from certain trips, or even analyze which locations have the most engagement. Filtering Instagram Reels by location is a fantastic way to keep your content organized and discover new Reels from places you love. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just reminiscing about past travels, this feature puts location-based content right at your fingertips. That's it. Now you know how to filter Instagram Reels by location with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.